I'm really behind on posting about the Coop build. This is part 7 of Josh's Coop build, and he's my neighbor, and we're building this together. After we finished up the trim, we dry fitted some vinyl for the floor, but we're not putting it in just yet. This comes in a 6x8 sheet, and you can get it from Lowe's. We just wanted to go ahead and get it cut, and then we were going to pull it back out before we paint everything, and then we'll put it back in after. I put the same stuff down in my Coop, and it's really helpful when it comes to cleaning. A lot of people have recommended using this. And since the enclosed run is going to be painted the same color as the Coop, we went ahead and built that. So of course we went to Lowe's for like the 12th time. So we started building the frame of the enclosure with these ground contact 4x4s. And then for the frames of each wall, we're just using 2x4s, just like we did on the Coop. This whole part will get a roof and be enclosed with hardware cloth. The wall that we're building right here is the front wall, and it will have a full-size door so that you can walk straight into it. And I think it's over 6 feet tall. The roof will slope backwards, and so the back wall that we're building right here is quite a bit shorter. And just in case Josh wants to add a little extension off of the back of the Coop and the enclosure, we added one extra support so that we can make a chicken door on the back side. The third wall is just the side wall, and it's nothing special. We got all 3 walls built and ready to put up, and that is when I realized that we made a crucial mistake. And by we, I mean I. See, the base that we made with those 4x4s was too long. I just read the instructions wrong, so we had to cut that shorter. Stay tuned for the next part. Okay, bye.